Hey, this is Eric over at TechnoRV, and this is my Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite. Many of the Forest River units on the market today are coming standard with a TST tire pressure monitoring system. The sensors are already strapped to the wheel, the inside of your tires, onto the wheel. So when you get it, if you see this sticker, you've already got the sensors on the wheel, okay? They still need to be installed, the tire positions still need to be installed into your monitor. So when you get your unit, you should have a package in there that has your TST monitor in it. And you should have instructions on how to install the tires into your monitor. This unit is going to monitor your tire pressure and your temperature. Here's why that's important. Mainly blowouts occur, or they're preceded by high temperature, low pressure. So if you get a nail in your tire and your pressure starts to go down, your temperature goes up. When a tire hits around 200 degrees or north of 200 degrees, the compounds in the tire start to break down. This is when you have a blowout. So this is why tire pressure monitoring are so popular with RVs now, because you could have a slow leak, not know it, next thing you know you have a blowout. What if that blowout could be prevented? And in most cases they can by having one of these systems, and if you've got a Rockwood Mini Lite, then you've got it pre-installed on your unit here. So here's the thing, get your instructions out and install them, but I'm going to do it real quick only because I want to show you where the sensor is actually located inside of these tires, because that's going to be the most important part of the installation. So I'm just going to turn my unit on here. I'm going to press and hold the set button until it beeps, and that takes me into programming mode. I'm going to hit the plus button 5 times. That takes me to Learn ID. So I'm going to scroll forward till I get to this tire position, my front right hand tire on here. And then I'll see all F's here. And now I know this sensor is 180 degrees from this valve stem. So whenever I go to program it, I'm going to want to place my monitor 180 degrees to the valve stem. So I'll either put my monitor here or here. I mean, if I put it here and it didn't take it, then I would know just to put it right here. But I don't know, we'll try it on the bottom right here, and that should pick it up. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead. I see all F's on my screen and the tire positions blinking that I want to program it to. I'm going to tap the set button, and now my F's start blinking. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this right where I know that sensor to be, and tap go, and it should accept that sensor. And it did. And then I'm going to press the set button to save it. Okay, perfect. And then I'm just going to scroll to this tire. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Okay, and then again, I'm going to tap the set button, and again, I know I'm going to be here, so I'm just going to go here. So I'm going to tap set, put here, and then I'm going to tap go. And then I'm going to hit the set button to save it. And now, I've still got to do the other side, but I'll do that later. I just want to demonstrate that. And now if I just hit the back button and go all the way back out, then I see these 2 tire positions showing up on my monitor. So it's that simple. I know you couldn't see what I was doing on the screen, but that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose was to make sure that when you go do your install, that you know that sensor is 180 to that valve stem. And again, if I did it here and it didn't take it, just drop it down here. It's somewhere in there, okay? And it's super easy to do. You can set this thing up in 5 minutes. So anyway, the TST tire pressure monitoring system, again, came stock on my Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite, and I'm super excited about that, and I hope this helps. So I hope this has been helpful on showing you where these sensors are on these tires. And look, TechnoRV has a lot of videos on TST and install videos if you actually want to see the details of how to do it. We've got some of those videos, and in addition, if you want to add sensors to your system, so say you're towing this with a truck and you want to put TST sensors on your truck so they show up in your monitor, you can get those at TechnoRV as well. That's technorv.com.